why right when I get ready to record the video, the sun gets brighter? I have a very bright kitchen. I have a very big kitchen. This is a piece of my kitchen, and it is really bright on this side of the kitchen. I almost should be on the other side, but anyway, welcome to Wize Sports Bettin. This is Bettin 101, and today's video is what plus 150 really means. Implied probability for betting Wize. Welcome, my sports betting friend, my sports betting family. I want to widen your view today, and I'm going to do this under 6 minutes because I hate it when sports betting channels or any kind of channel pimps you for your time so they can get watch hours and views. I ain't about that life. I'm about sharing information and making you a sharper, better. All right? I'll get my money another way. So I want to widen your view today. When you see the odds like plus 150 or minus 350, do you see a percentage? And if you don't, this video is going to change that forever, all right? I'm going to show you how to calculate implied probability. Because if you're serious about making money sports betting, you need to see what the sports books are really saying, all right? Once you understand how to convert odds into real chances, you'll stop betting on hype and start betting sharp. And so let's change how you see, and if you don't know already, let's go ahead and change how you look at these numbers for life. And real talk, this is a math lesson, but I promise you it's one that you're actually going to use because this one's going to help you save coins, all right? So, all right, let's say you see a line like minus 350. That's a big favorite. The formula you'll use is take that 350 divided by 350 plus 100. And I'm going to put a pop-up text up here so you can see it because I'm very visual. I like to see stuff visual. So I'm going to show you the formula visually. But that's 350 divided by 450. And that comes out to 77.78%. All right? That's the sports book saying this team or fighter has an almost 80% chance to win. Now let's flip it, literally. Let's say you see 1 plus 150. That's the underdog. That's going to be 100 divided by 150 plus 100. All right? That's 100 divided by 250. And boom, that's a 40% chance to win. So now you ain't just guessing. You got real game behind your picks. You can evaluate whether you think that team has a better than 40% chance to win, and you're going to base that on season stats, injuries, weather, matchups, or whatever matters, all right? And if you think they have a better shot than what the odds say, you say, I think they're going to do better than 40%, that's where you'll find your value when you have these numbers to work with. Or if the odds are off to you, you might pass that bet up altogether. I do that all the time. You ain't got to bet on everything. If the odds ain't right, you don't like the percentage, you can be like, I ain't with that. And just for the record, if doing math on the fly ain't your lane or ain't your vibe, no worries. You can check out the free implied probability calculator over at OddsJam. I dropped the link in the description. They also have a bunch of free sports betting calculators to use over there, and I put a link there, period. It's got links to arbitrage betting calculator, EV calculators, all kinds of rows of sports betting calculators, and they're all free. But if you do decide to sign up for OddsJam, please use my affiliate link in the description, all right? And when you do, I'll get a little bag off of that. And I appreciate you in advance for supporting the channel. And thank you for everybody who already has supported the channel. All right? So next time you see plus 150, don't just see a number. See a 40% chance to win. I want you to bet smart. I want you to bet sharp. I want you to bet wise. I want you to bet with math. And bet like you've got x-ray vision for the odds, all right? And after you get into, just so you know, after you get into the habit of calculating the odds, either by your calculator or OddsJam implied probability calculating tool, you'll get to know these percentages by heart. It'll start becoming by memory. You'll just know them. That's what happened to me, all right? So anyway, thanks for watching what plus 150 really means, implied probability for betting Wize. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share the video with a sports betting friend if you found this video interesting or entertaining in any way. And remember, bet wise and never bet more than you can afford to lose, all right? See you on the next one, and good luck to you on all your open bets.